Most people get this wrong. They think every crypto exchange is safe and easy to use, but the surprising truth about Bitmart is that it combines variety, speed, and risk in ways you should know before trading. Here's my honest experience. Bitmart is a global crypto exchange offering hundreds of cryptocurrencies, from major coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum to newer, smaller projects. One of the things I liked is the platform's speed. Trades execute quickly, and the interface is responsive. You won't believe what happens next. Bitmart also provides launchpad services for new tokens, giving early access to certain projects that might not be available elsewhere. The user interface is clean and beginner-friendly, with charts, portfolio tracking, and basic order types. For advanced traders, Bitmart offers margin trading and futures contracts. Though these carry higher risks, fees are around 0.25% per trade, which is reasonable, but withdrawal fees vary depending on the coin. Security is something to take seriously. Bitmart suffered a major hack in the past, resulting in the loss of millions of dollars. The platform has improved since then, with better wallet management and two-factor authentication, but the lesson is clear. Only trade what you can afford to keep on the exchange. In my experience, Bitmart is ideal for users looking for diverse crypto options and quick execution. It's less suited for beginners who want strict security or U.S. residents due to regulatory restrictions. In conclusion, Bitmart offers speed, variety, and early access to tokens, but it requires careful risk management. Use strong security practices and never store more than necessary on the platform. Subscribe for more honest crypto exchange reviews to help you trade smarter and safer.